Meaning of jury duty.
Jury duty.
Jury duty.
Jury duty.
Jury duty. Jury duty is a legal obligation where citizens are summoned to serve as members of a jury in a court of law. Jury duty is an important civic responsibility, where citizens are selected at random to serve on a jury and help to decide the outcome of a trial. The purpose of jury duty is to ensure that cases are decided by a representative group of citizens who can provide impartial judgment based on the evidence presented. During jury duty, jurors are required to listen to the testimony of witnesses, review evidence presented by both sides, and reach a verdict based on the facts presented during the trial.